Hey guys, it's me Elena. Here I'm holding a very pretty box with a doll called Kumako Ange Gardien. Kumakos are bear dolls by Puyoo Doll Company. Puyoo? I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I still remember visiting doll show in 2019 and seeing this cutie's first release for the first time. They're 1/4 size resin dolls and have a very curvy bodies. Last year, DOLK Doll Store had a collaboration with Puyoo Doll and created this limited cutie which I posted on my Twitter and Instagram. It was a lottery sale as it was a collaboration between multiple artists and they made just 10 of these worldwide. My friend entered it and won a spot. They were very kind and allowed me to unbox this doll with you in my video. It's gonna be my first time holding Kumako and I can't wait, so let's get started. The box is small and fits 40 centimeters dolls. It's a soft pink with stripes. On the front there is a big fluffy white bow drawn and it says Kumako. The background has a small blue bows and fluffy dandelion puffs. One side reads Puyoo Art and Creative and the other side has a sticker with the mold name Egg 2 and cute drawing of Kumako. She has lovely purple hair and little bears, one of which is in her front pocket. She's so cute. I just want to pinch her cheek. Whoa, that's a lot of papers with just one little doll. There is a cute Kumako sticker, the same one we saw on the box. DOLK ball jointed dolls instruction manual with a lot of useful information for newcomers and colorful pretty pictures of different dolls. DOLK warranty card for after services. Kumako doll birth certificate which contains information about the doll. It has a super adorable stamp and on the back is an illustration of two bears girls in a room with strawberry cake. Ah, what a cute concept. I think as it was doll collaboration with different artists, Puyoo Company just provided a blank doll. That's why it includes a paper on which you can design the doll's face up first before painting it on the doll. Here's also the Kumako Dolls guidebook. It explains the doll's characteristics, different heads which exist, hand parts, how to change bare legs, and a few pretty illustrations of dolls released before. There is also a mysterious bag with some tapes and a silicone ring. I believe these are replacements. Let me know if you are aware of what it can be used for. Finally, there is a business card of the face-up artist Upataro. You can find them on social media. She is very well known and often paints dolls of different sizes, even small cuties like sugar cups. Alright, check out this cutie's face. Those big blue eyes are just like little oceans with the splashes of pink and yellow near the bottom that makes you think of cotton candy skies. Her pupils are white with a red outline. On the iris sides, little golden stars are drawn. These are custom-made resin eyes and I love how unusual they are. She's got these sweet little lashes that just whisper hello when you look at her. Over the brown lashes there is a bright blue line which fits her outfit. She also has blue eyebrows. Everything tells us that she is not a usual girl. And can we talk about that blush? It's like she's just heard the best secret. Her lips have a faintest hint of color and it's like she is a bit confused or super focused maybe. Her skin has this creamy look. On the back of the head there is a metallic plate with Kumako text on it. It's colorful with a blue bow and pink background. This is how the doll's head looks inside. Isn't her body just the cutest? She's got this adorable round shape that's so huggable. And check out the teeny hands with their little pointy fingers, just precious. Plus the joints are amazing. They have multiple stoppers at the knees and other joints so she can hold the pose like a pro. If you enjoy my unboxing videos and want to support them, please remember to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. It's completely free but makes a big difference. If you have a Kumako doll, I would like to know which one you have and what you think of these dolls. The wig is this cool silver / baby blue color with a neat center parting. It's got these two bands that are kind of loosely fixed, so I'm being super careful not to mess them up. The bangs have these stylish side locks that add a bit of flair. And oh, the white wig cap is a plus because it won't stain the doll's head. The parting has a silicone insert that makes it look like real skin. Inside its own special white box is where Kumako's outfit stays, and I'm totally in love with this detail. The little stickers that's got the author name and the title of the doll's collaboration on it, and you've got to take a moment to appreciate the illustration on it. There is this adorable shy bear peeking out from behind the drawers. Leg decorations are made from golden laces and they are connected with little metallic rings. It kind of reminds me of Greek sandals. The bigger laces have flowers in the center, which adds a nice touch. You're supposed to put them on like socks, just slide them up the legs. They look great once they're on. The leg warmers are made of white faux fur, which is super soft and feels amazing. They are decorated with golden sequins and beads right on the center of sequence, adding a nice touch. On the front there is two tiny bows, one pink and one blue, each with golden bead in the center. The fabric has golden threads woven through it, so they look really high quality and sparkly. The leg warmers have a bit of stretch to them, which is super handy. It will be a breeze to slip them onto the doll, just like cozy socks on a chilly day. These fluffy white wrist accessories are as soft as a cloud and just as charming. They are matching leg warmers and also adorned with golden sequins that add a touch of glamour, perfectly complemented by the golden lace trim. Dangling from the lace is a dainty ring, just the right size for the doll's finger. What a cool touch! The crown is made from golden laces. It's hard and keeps its shape really well. Plus, it's decorated all around with these cute pearl half spheres. Oh wow, look at these hairpins! We've got the silky blue bow and a sweet little pink one. These are made from the same twinkly material as the bows on the leg warmers. They have a bit of that same fancy golden shimmer, which makes them look so posh. The pink and blue colors are just the sweetest, and they clip into the hair with these tiny metallic pins, super easy to use. It's like the perfect little finishing touch to tie the whole look together. Kumako will be rocking these adorable white bloomers that have a pumpkin shape. Super cute and puffy. They are trimmed with ruffles around the leg holes and the waist, adding just the right touch of sweetness. Right at the waist there is this delicate blue bow that's just darling. Inside they are lined with the white mesh. And check this out, there is a blue garter attached from the inside with some really cool details. It's made from the same fabric as the bows, and it's got this shiny golden star buckle decoration and a ring on the end. It's those little touches that makes it so special. Oh, and you have to see these high waist shorts that double as a corset. Absolutely genius. They're crafted from this rich blue satin fabric that just screams luxury. The top edge is trimmed with gold, giving it that regal edge. The front is this crisp white with quilted design stitched in pink thread and dotted with golden beads for that extra sparkle. And the pink bow on the front? It has long flowing tails that trail down the sides, adorned with an assortment of beads. Right under the bow there is this teeny blue cameo set on a golden base. It's the cutest little detail. And the back has a fun surprise, a fluffy bunny tail attached right to the blue zipper which fastens the shorts. It's just too adorable for words. Take a look at this adorable clock. Clock's color is white with this cute pink outline and is shaped like a cloud. The back part got those long pointy corners with golden metallic crosses attached, so chic. The front brought together by this shiny golden chain. The chain is clearly attached with pearl beads that sneakily conceal the metallic snaps underneath. And for a little extra sweetness, there is this adorable pink strawberry charm hanging from one side of the chain. The main part is the soft velour fabric of an angelic blue color. The clock has a white fur trim and it's sparkling with this little golden beads that makes it look so fancy. I noticed that the size of the beads changed, so they are smaller closer to the collar and bigger on the bottom. From one side of the collar to the fur is attached two golden stars, and on the other side is one star and one golden bear. I hadn't even noticed it at first. What a little cute detail. I also noticed this random star attached instead of some beads. The clock is fastened with a metallic hook. Inside it has a pink satin fabric layered with white mesh which is decorated with golden sparkly dots. Inner part of the fur trim also has a golden beads, but only on the bottom part. And get this, there are two little golden stars hidden among the beads on the fur trim, like a secret treasure. Inside the collar there is a clever little white plastic snap that keeps the clock perfectly in place over the blouse. No sliding around, just staying cute and put. Let's check out the blouse. It's white wonder with the cutest ruffles. Around the armholes they've got these ruffle details that give off wing vibes. And there are more near the neck and down the front chest area for the extra bit of flair. Then there are these four shiny fake golden buttons, each stamped with a star right down the front. There is a plastic snap on the back to hook the clock onto, and more snaps to fasten the blouse up. Inside the closed box we got a little message from the outfit creator with set contents and notes that everything is sewn by hand. You definitely can tell that it's not a mass-produced piece. By the way, this is a concept art of this doll. What do you think? I think all artists did a great job releasing one of the best Kumakos ever released in my opinion. Love dolls and Kong Kong.